A VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, is a privacy protection tool that is quickly becoming a must-have. But why do you need a VPN, and how does it work in the first place? A VPN helps your data travel through the internet safely, without big companies or cybercriminals being able to spy on your online activities. Also, a VPN swaps the real location of your device with a new one. This way, you can virtually travel to any country around the globe. So, who can benefit from a VPN? If you're worried about your online privacy, a VPN makes sure your identity and private information are not exposed when you go online. If digital security is your top priority, a VPN gives a nice additional layer of security. It encrypts your data so nobody could see what you send and receive. If you are a human rights activist whose freedom of speech is restricted, a VPN helps you to bypass censorship and speak to the world. Or, if you're on holiday in another country, with a VPN, you can bring your home entertainment anywhere you go. Here's a pro tip: check out Surfshark VPN. It has everything you need in a premium VPN, awesome speeds, and industry-leading protection that covers all of your devices. All you have to do is click connect. Secure your digital life and enjoy everything good that the internet has to offer with a VPN you can trust.
Click link in the description and get 81% discount for your first order. Using traditional advertising, make an ad/flyer. Creating an eye-catching advertisement is key to success. You want potential clients to be drawn to your business for a variety of reasons. Be thorough and include all pertinent details. What services you offer is critical. If you are willing to weed eat, edge, spread mulch, or do something else related to lawn maintenance, you could possibly make a lot more money. Include all contact information. Your name, company name, email, and phone number are bare minimums. Pricing will be the focus for most potential customers. Include your pricing information based on the criteria you select. Whether it is one price for all yards, priced by square foot, or based on appraisal, be sure to be very specific. Cover the most possible area. Ensuring every potential customer sees your advertisement is crucial. Put your flyers in a variety of locations. Stuff mailboxes. You may encounter a person on the day they feel their weakest and most unable to juggle all their responsibilities. They might just pay you to lessen the load. Car windows are a perfect spot for flyers. Pick up the windshield wiper, pop down your flyer so the driver sees it, and put the wiper down. You can cover a diverse audience easily because you don't know the car owners. Bulletin boards are a great location. Try laundry mats, libraries, local businesses, grocery stores, the post office, anywhere that will let you put your ad up. Put them on doorsteps. Better yet, knock on doors and deliver them by hand. Face-to-face meetings may benefit your efforts since they'll get to see you personally. Put ads in the local newspaper. This is a cheap but effective way to get your name out there. It does, however, come with a small fee. Most newspaper companies charge by the word, so choose words carefully. Minimize the number of words/letters for price, but don't exclude so much as to make the ad ineffective. At the very least, include the name of your business name, the logo, the type of services offered, contact information, and your website if applicable. Sponsor a local school, sports team, or athlete. School and sport affiliations run deep. Having your sign along the baseline or the outfield fence reaches a new segment of the market and shows support for the local community. Someone may just want to support a business with similar interests or alma mater. Use a local or homeowner association HOA newsletter. Targeting a localized audience may help you reach and cover an entire area more thoroughly. Let the familiarity of a known newsletter be your trusted voice. Place lawn signs. Start off with a simple sign placed in a freshly mowed lawn to display your great work. Since the eyes viewing these ads are moving, the lawn signs may need to be more visually appealing than other ads. An expanded, colored logo would be a great modification, but at the very least the company name and contact information needs to be included. As you expand, Perhaps you'd be willing to offer a free cut in exchange for ad placement in other yards. Try a radio or television advertisement. You will want to focus on ad length, style, and content. Tailor it to the local market you'd like to target. Make it informative and memorable. Advertising online. Create a Facebook ad. There are multiple ways to advertise on Facebook. Choose the method right for you and let the power of social media do your work. You may want to use other forms of social media like Twitter or Instagram to canvass the market. Make the ad effective by including a picture of an eye-catching, vibrant lawn and offers to help others get the lawn they desire. For text-based ads on Twitter, aim for the most keywords and hashtags you can fit into the allotted character count. Make a website. Choose from a wide range of page builders and web hosts to add legitimacy to your e-business. You will also need a domain name to keep people returning and to attract more customers. Make your website focused, friendly on the eyes, easy to use, and quick to load in order to maximize effectiveness. Not all domain names are available. Do a quick check before getting your heart set on a name. You may need to learn a little web coding to get your site looking perfect. Don't be intimidated, however, most changes are pretty straightforward and simplistic. Take a few photos of your work and proudly display them on your site. A picture, as they say, is worth 1,000 words. Reciprocate with other, like-minded vendors in your area. For instance, offer a discount if someone is willing to buy a package deal to your lawn service and a partner florist. Use search engine ads. Everyone uses search engines. Putting a little ad placement on Google, Yahoo, or Bing, for instance, could lead to exponential growth. Create a great ad by including a unique value you can provide, something that prompts a potential customer to act, a way to catch the eye, and a great URL. Your neighbors will envy your lush green lawn. This is value unique to normal lawns. Get a visit within 24 hours. Visitors know they'll get your services fast if they click. Trustworthy, local lawn care stand out from competitors who just offer lawn care. www.lawns.com/green lawn of envy much better than a page titled Services. Advertising unconventionally. Go guerrilla. Try a variety of methods to create a buzz. You want to cause discussion to keep people thinking about your business. An added benefit is the frequently lower capital investment needed to get your message to the public. Go direct to your customers with a few different options to maximize your results. Segway advertising would be an odd way to draw attention. It's just a matter of putting the ads on segways and having a blast by driving them around downtown or at a mall. Wave at people. Use the novelty of the segways to draw them into a discussion about your lawn care service. Urinals and bathroom stalls are perfect for captive audiences. Their attention is guaranteed. For urinals, place them on the wall at about eye level. For stalls, just use the back of the door where you'd usually read the graffiti or nothing at all. Finding a way to tie in the activity to your lawn care could be an unusual way to amuse and be memorable. Wrap your car. Car billboards are mobile marketing that goes beyond the typical bumper stickers. Supplement the typical car or truck signage with an eye-catching car wrap. Draw attention by going viral. Many have become famous and successful because of e-popularity, and viral marketing can extend beyond the internet. After something takes off, word of mouth and texts often propagate the message further. A great example of such a phenomenon is the subservient chicken campaign. Make a ridiculous video and post it to YouTube or Vine. Shares and forwards will flood the market, making you a brand name. Create a meme that combines a funny or clever phrase with your company's logo or image. Meme generators are a great way to produce something funny in a minimal amount of time. Stage a flash mob. The flash mob itself will create a buzz, get recorded and posted online, be talked about. All you have to do is get your advertising in the same area to gain attention. Getting a bunch of people to sing or dance has been successful numerous times. Freeze mobs are pretty clever and attention-getting. Stage 1: near a large, public area with poorly manicured grass to draw attention. Use a professional organization to book a flash mob for your grand opening. Make a bang and get your company name known. Try some stealth advertising by putting your ads where they maybe not normally exist. Conventional flyer locations reaches a specific market, but being sure to get your advertisements in other hands is difficult. Putting your flyers inside another product is a surprise for the reader and a possible new set of eyes on your business. Checkout magazines at grocery stores are a great spot to slip in an ad. While waiting in line, grab a handful of flyers and put one each in several magazines. Doctor and dentist offices are very target-rich environments. They usually have a variety of books, magazines, journals, and assorted periodicals that would be perfect locations to stash your flyers. Newspapers work perfectly for this technique. Sunday newspapers with their tons of ads works even better. Simply slide the flyers in amongst the coupons and assorted extras. Library books related to your business are an unconventional target, but they might be a great location. Find books about seeding, watering, mulching, anything related to lawn care, and put in a flyer. The creativity could be appreciated by a potential customer.